Hello guys, this is Sonic. In the last video we had learned on how to assign an integer to a variable in Python. So here's the summary of that video. If I have an integer 12 here, I can assign it to this variable num1. And similarly, you can also assign negative integers. You can also convert a string to an integer. So suppose I have a number in the string, then I can use the int function to convert that number to an integer. But if I do not have an integer in the string, then that is going to raise an error. So in this class, we're going to learn about the basic operations that you can perform on an integer. So first thing we're going to do here is assign two numbers to two variables. So num1 equals to 24 and num2 equals to, let's say, 15. Okay, so now we have these two variables set up. So now we can perform operations on them. First operation we're going to do is addition. So to add two integers, we can use the following statement: print and then num1 plus num2. Okay, so what this is going to do is it's going to add the two numbers. So let's run this program and see what the result is. Okay, so we got a result of 39 by this operation. So that is all about addition. Now you can also perform subtraction by basically the same thing, except the plus sign turns into a minus sign. So this is going to subtract num1 from num2. Let's run this program and see what the result is. There you go. The answer we get is 9 from the subtraction. So similarly, we're going to perform multiplication over here, which is basically num1 and then an asterisk, that's the multiplication sign, and then num2. Okay, so this should print num1 into num2, that is 24 into 15. Let's run this program. Okay, and as you can see, the result is 360. That is 24 into 15. So now we're also going to do division. Now this is the division that returns inaccurate results. If you want to divide two numbers and get the accurate result, you should check out my other video. Okay, so that's num1 / num2. Let's see what this results in. It's 1.6. Okay. So there you go, we have divided num1 and num2. Now there are two more functions that are really useful. That is number one, the pow function. So what this function does is it prints the power of the two numbers. Okay, so here we type in num1 and then comma and num2. Okay, so this is going to print num1 to the power of num2. Okay, now there's another way you could do the same thing, that is print num1 and then two asterisks and then num2. Okay, so this is the same as the power function. So these two statements should return the same result. Let's see. And yes, as you can see, both of them have given the same result. So there are two ways to get the power out of the numbers, that is number one using the power function, number two using two asterisks. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to check out my